Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm's Taste of Boysenberry Festival, and I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory, and I got these Churro Bites, which have a hint of lemon with white chocolate sugar on top of the Churro Bites, and Boysenberry and Chocolate dipping sauce. So I think actually the lemon part might be the actual, might be the actual churro itself. It's kind of yellow there. Not really tasting any lemon. Boysenberry and chocolate dipping sauce. Taste of boysenberry. Must be white chocolate they're talking about. Sometimes Knott's churros are a little stale if they've been sitting around. I don't think these just came out of the fryer because they're not hot. So they're actually not too bad. They're not so hard that they're inedible. It's better with the sauce, obviously. So if you feel like some churros, you can go get these. You can get them either on the tab or you can buy them. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.